Here we are in the brand new Humanities Hub, a place where students can engage in hands-on activities in the humanities. It's just one of the many things that's been made possible by the Mellon Grant for High Impact Humanities at UMass Boston. The Mellon Grant is funding new courses and bringing exciting activities to the courses that we offer our undergraduates at UMass Boston in the humanities.
Last semester I took a class with Professor Edelstein. It was on Moby Dick, but it wasn't just about Moby Dick. We had a lot of speakers come in, we did field trips, and I learned a lot more than just about a whale.
Doing archival work is really unique for undergraduate students, and so to receive funding for a project like this with undergraduates specifically in the humanities sector is really, really important for their future as researchers and writers across the curriculum.
Experiencing Boston isn't just about reading what the author has written, it's about seeing the places they wrote about, meeting the people they described. It changes how I see English. It makes learning more fun.
If you're thinking of taking a Mellon course, you definitely should, because it was a great experience and I was really upset that I had to leave the class, and I don't think I've ever felt like that about courses before.
To anyone interested in exploring the humanities more and other Mellon classes, visit our website here at UMass Boston.